Hello and welcome to our Academy. In today's tutorial we are dealing with non-contact and pressure-sensitive safety devices. These are used when, due to frequent access to machine areas, normal mechanical safety devices are not applicable. The term non-contact safety devices includes, for example, light barriers consisting of one or more individual light beams. Increased security is provided by light curtains, often referred to as light grids, and also safety laser scanners. While the distance between the individual beams and the range between the transmitter and the receiver have an influence on the application in the case of light curtains, the protective field size has a decisive influence on the selection of laser scanners. So now let's look at them one at a time. The larger the distance between the individual beams, the deeper we can reach through the protective field without even interrupting a light beam. This in turn affects the necessary distance from the safety device to the danger point. Whether it can be implemented at all is decisively dependent on the overrun time of the dangerous movements. The determination of the overrun time is described in the standard ISO 13855-2010, entitled Safety of Machinery, Arrangement of Protective Devices with regard to approach speeds of human body parts. It is also described in that standard that light curtains can be mounted either at an angle or horizontally. This is of course strongly dependent on the application. If there is no possibility for mounting a transmitter and receiver for a light curtain, safety laser scanners can be used instead. These have the advantage that the protective field can not only be easily defined, but can even be subdivided into warning and switching zones. If someone enters the warning area, an acoustic warning is sounded, for example, while the danger-inducing movement is stopped in a safe manner only if the switching range is violated. As an alternative to the optical protective devices, pressure-sensitive safety mats can also be used. In this case, the accessible surface in front of the danger point is provided with one or more safety mats forming a continuous surface. These will switch off the dangerous movement when the mat is triggered by being stepped on. As with the safety switches, which we presented to you in the last tutorial, these types of protective devices will form part of safety-related parts of a control system for the machine. As a basis for the design of such a safety function, a performance level required, or PLR for short, for the safety function is determined during the risk assessment. This performance level must be validated after the safety function has been designed. The determination of the performance level required and its validation is dealt with in parts 1 and 2 of ISO 13849. For more information about performance level, please take a look at our tutorial series on functional safety. There we describe the design of safety-related parts of control systems, determination and the validation of the performance level in detail. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.